Hi there. Welcome to Deck, the show. My name is Andrew Deck, and today we'll be showing you what it takes to make a web phenomenon. Turns out a knowledge of biology and a deeper understanding of how cells use apoptosis can help you out. What is apoptosis, you say? What does biology have to do with YouTube videos? We'll be bringing you the answers to those questions and more in just a moment. Sitting with me now is Max Luton and Jonah Murray, creators of the viral hit Apoptosis vs. Cancer, a tragic clip describing artfully how horrible cancer is, because we don't like it. Welcome, Max and Jonah. Let me start by asking you, what is apoptosis?
Apoptosis is, well, it's when a cell takes its life.
Apoptosis is when a cell kills itself either to protect the organism and once it's infected or goes through physical trauma such as a lack of oxygen and kills itself because it just can't take it anymore.
Okay, this apoptosis, when you portrayed it in your video, do you feel like you did it accurately? Were there any deviations from the original process of apoptosis?
The first cell in the video going through with apoptosis was reasonably accurate, except for the gun. Cells don't actually have firearms. Cells actually, to kill themselves, start a long chain of reactions within themselves. Their mitochondria have a protein on their surface that inhibits apoptosis. When the cell wants to die, the mitochondria releases a related protein called BAX that neutralizes the protective effect of BCL2, which is the first protein.
The axon punctures holes in the mitochondria's membrane, releasing cytochrome C, which binds with different proteins. They form chromosome caspase 9, nicknamed the executioner protein. That cleaves cells, and it then activates other caspases, and eventually leads to the destruction of cell structural proteins and degradation of chromosomal DNA. Then the cell is absorbed by a macrophage, which we decided to portray as a janitor-type figure.
Now, I'm starting to get apoptosis, but what does this have to do with cancer?
Well, remember the protein we talked about that's in mitochondria? It stops apoptosis from happening. It's BCL2. In cancer, the cancerous cells have an abnormally large amount of that protein. So when a cell is infected, it can't commit apoptosis, so it'll stay infected and get the rest of the cell sick.
And these proteins, apoptosis inhibitor proteins, also known as ATPs, are basis for many cancer trials. They're trying to create molecules that will block these proteins, forcing cancerous cells to take their lives. But there's more than one way to skin a cat, or kill cancer. Specialists also could eliminate the gene that produces BCL2 and other ATPs, which would aid in cells using apoptosis properly.
Another approach is to target the death receptors directly. Scientists are currently trying to create a protein drug that activates the death receptors on the cell surface, instigating apoptosis in the cell.
Now that we've got the technical stuff out of the way, did you have fun?
Well, we just had this project that we had to do, and it was gonna be kind of like a regular thing, but we decided to take off with it. We wanted to make it a big deal. We wanted to put our hearts into it, because we know that suicide is a big issue, and it happens in our bodies every day, and we just wanted to make it pretty personal.
Max, Jonah, thank you for joining us. You've enlightened us all. Although we may not have learned much about making a viral YouTube hit, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
It's good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're great.
Tacos.
Yeah, you're great.
Thank you for joining us. And next, Cubans smuggling guinea pigs into Iceland.